Let's consider a long solenoid of length L, area of cross section A, total number of turns N, number of turns per unit length N, and let current I is flowing through the solenoid. Let phi is the magnetic flux linked with each turn of this solenoid, and then the total magnetic flux linked with the solenoid will become N phi. This is equal to L into I. ये हमने प्रूव किया था. यहाँ से फाइंड आउट कर लें L is equal to N phi divided by I. A number of turns per unit length N can be written as capital N divided by L. तो यहाँ से N can be written equal to N into L. Phi equal to हमें पता है B vector dot area vector. B vector is parallel to the axis of the solenoid. Area vector भी उसी direction में है. So this will become B into A. Phi is equal to B into A divided by I. B can be written equal to mu naught into N into I. N into L into mu naught N into I into A divided by I. I कैंसिल हो जाएगा और L ये आ जाएगा. यहाँ मैं आपको बता दूं कि हम इग्नोर कर रहे हैं एज इफेक्ट्स को बाय कंसिडरिंग ए लॉन्ग सोलिनॉइड. एजेस पर जो B की वैल्यू है वो इसका अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हाफ होती है. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास L आ जाएगा इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट इंटू N square into L into A. Now, if we fill the inside of the solenoid with a material of relative magnetic permeability mu r, for example soft iron के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा होती है, तो L will become mu r times this. So this is the expression for self inductance of a long solenoid. यहाँ से हमें clear हो जाता है कि L depends on number one mu r, that is relative magnetic permeability of the core of the solenoid on which the winding is done. Secondly, it depends upon the geometry of the solenoid. Geometry में क्या क्या आ जाएगा? N number of turns per unit length, L length of the solenoid, and A area of cross section of the solenoid.